Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are starting our numerical part of our chapter called current electricity. So in current electricity we are going to solve the first example which is given in your textbook page number 38. Okay. So the question says a resistance of the filament in a light bulb is 1000 ohm. So it is the value of R. If the bulb is fed by the current from the source of potential difference 230 volts, that is the potential difference of the bulb is provided is 230 volt. How much current will be flow through it? So we have to calculate the current. Okay. So we are going to solve the problem now. So first we have to write the given part. So what is given? Given is the potential difference which is of 230 volt. It is 230 volt. So potential difference को हम लिख लेंगे. It is PD. PD is potential difference. And the resistance of the filament coil is of resistance is R, which is of 1000 ohm. Okay. Now we have to find current. Current is what? It is I, which is question mark. That we have to find. Now we are going to use the formula. Formula is of resistance is equals to V divided by I. So we have to find I. So for formula I equals to V divided by R. Okay. Now solution. So what is the formula? It is I equals to V divided by R. So V is potential difference and R is the resistance. So I equals to, what is V? V is 230 volt divided by R is 1000 ohm. So I equals to, say 0 and this 0 will get cancelled and point will come after 2. So it is 0.23 and volt per ohm is ampere. Okay. So current flowing through the conductor is 0.23 ampere. Okay. So we have the answer. So we have to write the result now. So what will be the result? The result will be the current flowing through the bulb is 0.23 ampere and it is our answer. So see, this question is really very easy one. Okay. So write down, then we are going to solve the second problem. Okay. So write down first. So now we are going to solve the second problem. Okay. Second problem which is again given in your textbook page number 38. Okay. So the question says the length of conducting wire is 50 centimeter and its radius is 0.5 millimeter. If its resistance is 30 ohm, then what is the resistivity of its material? So in this question we are going to identify the resistivity of the material. So now we are going to solve the problem now. Okay. So according to the question, the length of wire which is given as 50 centimeter. So for solving the question we had to use unit in meter. So we had to convert this centimeter into meter. So for converting centimeter into meter, we are dividing this 50 by 100. So 100 is what? It is 10 into 10. So we can write it as 50 divided by 10 to the power 2. but we do not want to 10 to the power 2 in division form. So when we will transfer in multiple form, it will become 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, so 50 centimeter equals to 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Now radius of the wire is given as 0.5 millimeter. So we don't want in millimeter, we have to convert it into meter form. So we can write 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, because we have to divide this by 1000. Okay, so if 0.5 can be written as 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Okay, हमने पॉइंट को यहाँ पर शिफ्ट किया, so we have to multiply, we have to divide it again by 10. So 10 का जो पावर जब हम उसको मल्टीप्लाई में लेकर आएंगे तो वो आ जाएगा माइनस में. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट 0.5 millimeter equals to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Okay, and again given as R, it is the resistance of the coil, which is 30 ohm. Okay, now here what we had to find? We had to find resistivity of the material. So resistivity is rho. Rho is question mark. Okay, so now formula. So in previous video we have derived the formula for the resistivity. So resistivity formula is rho equals to resistance into area of cross section divided by length. Okay, so now we are going to solve the problem. So rho equals to what? R is the resistance, A is area of cross section, divided by L is the length. Okay, so rho equals to what is resistance? Resistance is of 30 ohm. So it is 30 ohm into area of cross section. So the wire is in circular form like this. So we have to calculate area of this part. Okay, so the formula of circular part is pi r square divided by length is 50. It is 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay, so rho equals to this 30 into pi. What is the value of pi? It is 3.14. It is 3.14 into r square. What is r? R is this 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter and square, divide by 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So rho equals to, we have to open this bracket first. So it is 30 into 3.14 into square of 5 is 25 into square of 10 to the power minus 4 is 10 to the power minus 8, divide by 50 into 10 to the power minus 2. So 50 twos are 25 twos are 50. 2 15s are 30. So we have rho equals to 15 into 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by, see this 10 to the power minus 2 we are shifting in multiple form, will come into 10 to the power 2. तो जब भी 10 के पावर में कोई नंबर होता है तो जब डिवाइड से मल्टीप्लाई में जाएगा तो पॉजिटिव विल बिकम नेगेटिव, और अगर डिवाइड से मल्टीप्लाई में आता है तो साइन हमेशा चेंज होता है. ओके, सो दिस पार्ट वे टू मल्टीप्लाई ओनली. ओके, so rho equals to, when we will multiply this 15, see 15 4s are 60, 60 का 0 कैरी करेगा 6, 15 1 is 15 and 6 is 21, 21 का 2 कैरी करेगा, 21 का 1 कैरी करेगा 2, 15 3s are 45 and 2 47. पॉइंट 2 के बाद में, सो 2 के बाद हमने पॉइंट दे दिया इनटू 10 टू द पावर, सी 10 टू द पावर -8 है और यहाँ पर 2 है, सो बच जाएगा -6. ओके, सो 47.10 इज द रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ द मटेरियल. एंड इसकी यूनिट क्या है? इसकी यूनिट हमने कल कैलकुलेट किया था, इट इज ओम मीटर. ओके, सो इफ अगर हमने इस पॉइंट को यहां शिफ्ट किया, so we can write it also as rho equals to 4.71 into 10 to the power -5 ohm meter. So this is also the answer. Okay, this is the simplest form. So we have the answer, so we have to write the result. So हम आंसर को simplest form में नीचे वाला लिखेंगे. Okay, so I am going to erase this one now. Okay, so result. So what will be the result? The resistivity of the material, is, it is 4.71 into 10 to the power -5 ohm meter. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, see, this is the simplest way to solve the numericals. Okay, so you have to solve the numerical in this form. First you have to write given, then you have to write to find, then formula, then solution. It is the solution part. Okay, and last is the result. Okay, so write down now. So students, in this way you have to solve the problems. So for better understanding, you can keep repeat the video once again. Okay, so now you have to solve the third problem, which is the solved problem, which is given in the page number 39. Okay, it is a 38. In next page you have to solve. No, it is again given in the 38 page number itself. Okay, so the third problem is really very simple, and try for solving the fourth problem also. Okay, so these two problems are homework file student. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फॉर नाउ.